Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Alright, welcome back to my little jungle. Thank you all so much everyone for still coming over and joining me here. Thank you. I'm going to continue unwrapping this one, removing this plastic bag, plastic tape, and we are going to do the dendrobium just because it's closer to me. Oops. Yep. Oh gosh, I hate it when it's like this, but they do this because that way the potting things don't go and to protect these potting mix, whatever. But these plants needs a water. It's so dry, except for those oncidiums. They don't need water yet, but I'm just going to water all of them later when I'm done unwrapping them. Ooh. All right, come on now. All right, it has a new growth here, a new baby, and oh, I just like it. I just love it. The roots are just fine. They're doing all right. So, and this is the Dendrobium tinei crucipe. So that's my next one. Let's put it there. Okay, next is another Dendrobium. So we've already watched this, so I don't have to show you anything. Just unwrap it, just look at the roots and everything. Uh-oh. I can smell my maxillaria. It's just making me crazy. I love that maxillaria so much. All right, so let's check. Ooh. These already bloomed here, if you can see, but it can shoot another spike here, flower spike, but it's all right if it don't, because I have here. This is so cool. It has a white thing on it. See that white thing there? I hope it's not a mealybug. I hope it's not a mealybug, but this is my Dendrobium Kuranda Classic Crusp Self. 3 petals. Yep, that's my baby there. Uh-oh, it's just so top heavy. That's why it needs a pot, a new pot. All right, that's all Dendrobium I got. Let's move here again. Okay. Oops. Oh, I want to save these. Maybe I cannot save that anymore. Those are the fertilizer, the slow release fertilizer they put. I like those. That's why I always take them if I could. Put it back. But sometimes it sticks there, so it's so hard to get. Okay. All right. They said that this here is meds, an herb, so I don't know about that. I have plenty of these here, so I might just take it off. I have plenty of these at my yard and at my other pots. Oh, I just gonna throw it away here. Those are just all right. So I got this baby here. Ooh, it has a growth already going. There's a growth there, right next to that root, and there's another one here. So it's growing nice. And there's another growth here, but I'm not sure about that yet. And this is who? BLC Tushi Aoki Starburst. Not too much roots though, but it has roots. Okay, next one. Ay, kaloka. Oops. Oh no. It's alright, these roots are gonna die anyway. The roots outside the pot, they're gonna die. See, these starting to degrade. This one is dead already, so it's alright. So I got this growth here, a big one. It came from this mother plant here. Let's check if there's more growth there. They normally do. There's nothing. Oops. But yep. So these roots are gonna die. The one that's gonna make a root was this is this one. So these roots here are gonna die very soon. So it doesn't matter if I take them off or not, because it's just gonna do like that. So remove these. Yeah, my left hand has a carpal tunnel syndrome problem. That's why it cannot work so much better anymore. Unlike before, it's still working good. So that's why most of the time I use my right hand. Alright, so we are gonna have a spike here because this mother plant here already gave one. But I think I have a suspicion that this one also is gonna give one. It's just, oops, it's out of the screen. This one here has a potential. It's just, I'm not sure if it's gonna develop. But this one, I hope it developed the flower buds. So that's one of it. And let's do another one because we are almost there in the time. Let's do this one, the big one. Oh, this one is volunteering, so let's just do this. Oh, this leaf is no good anymore, so we are just gonna pop it like so. See? It's only holding this much. See that little green there? That's the only thing that's holding it. So we can just take that off and clean it a little later when we're done dealing with this plastic tape. It's a big plant. It needs repot because it's already top heavy here. See what I'm saying? These roots are dead already. These are already dead. The ones that giving new roots is the one that the new growth ones. So when I repot this, I'm gonna clip all of these roots because they're dead already. See, I can just even pull it. See, there's nothing, there's no life there anymore. But anyway, I'm just gonna take off this and look what's in here. Ooh, it already has a new growth coming over. That's what they do. They push growth right away. So I have one here, and I'm not sure here if that's a growth or not. And let's see this one, the mother plant, the mother of the new growth, if it still has something to give. Sometimes it won't grow because of these. See, it needs cleaning so bad. Yep, it just needs cleaning. Oh, it has a growth here. See, told ya it has a growth there. It just needs cleaning to see it, but it's top heavy already. Ooh, one time it has a growth here, but for whatever reason it died. So I don't know what happened there, but it has a potential of growing a new growth too. So good. All right, so it needs to be repotted in a big pot, but I have a plan of just putting it somewhere else because it needs to grow like these, you know. So if that's the baby one, and this is the one that has 3 buds, flower buds, and this is the, oops, let's put this down, you can't see this. Patnara Siniying Pink Doll Siniying. It's a crossbred with Elsie Little Mermaid and Patnara Lee One Dancer. Ooh, this came from the flask on December 2019. So how long it takes? 19, 20, 21, 4. It takes 4 years before they shoot a spike like this. So good to know. So good to know. That's how long it takes. Gosh. So this came from a flask. It's so cool. Now I know how long it is for them to grow these babies. That's why it's so expensive. Alright, so that's all for this video. We are going to jump to the next one because I've already have 17 minutes already. Oh, my back hurts already from standing. So we are going to jump to the next video. I hope to cover all this from that next one. That way we don't have to deal with the next ones again. So thank you all so much for your support and for watching my video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.